Welcome to DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. My name's Greg. Today we're going to be taking a look at a couple tools that I've been using recently in our RV electrical system upgrade series, and I think I've had enough time to form an opinion on them. So, first one we're going to take a look at is the Iwiss HX-50B battery cable lug crimper. Now this is designed to crimp anywhere from an 8 gauge on up to a 1/0 gauge. Very simple setup, just to open the jaws, depress the pin and rotate the center die, or rotate the die, selecting the number on the side of the die to coincide with the size of the cable and lug that you are crimping. So right now I have it set to 8 gauge on both of them. It's that simple to set up, and simple as just crimp down like that. Now since the die is actually fairly narrow, I went ahead and made sure I did a minimum of 3 crimps on each lug. That way I can make sure it was properly crimped. One thing that has been noticed by several people, and also I, is that it does tend to leave an ear on one side by the way the crimp is formed. Here's a picture right here showing you that. Other than that, they did hold up very well. I see no wear for the worst. So the next tool I want to take a look at is the ICrimp cable cutters. Now this came with the Iwiss cable lug crimper, so it came as a set. Right off the bat, within the first couple cuts, I did have a little chip out. I made a note of that in one of my videos. But it seems to be working fine. As the project went on, I did notice more and more of the blade cutting edge chipping away. And now, I got chip outs on both blades. So, I think I made the comment the last time that I think that they over hardened the blades, and I still, you know what, I almost want to say that the metal quality is very inferior. It just is not holding up. I would not buy this just because it comes with this. It's going to be the point where I actually going to have to go and just go get a new pair. Alright, just quick down and dirty review of the Iwiss battery cable lug crimper along with the ICrimp cable shears. The crimper right here, not bad for a weekend warrior, somebody that's just going to do a project every now and then, anywhere from 8 gauge to 1/0. Anything more than just a hobbyist, I'd probably look at something else, but not bad for the buck. Now, these actually came with the crimper. I would not buy the crimper just because of these. These are actual garbage. The material that they're made out of is inferior to what you can go get in the store for, you know, 20, 25 bucks, whatever, and probably last you a lifetime. So I hope this helped answer some questions that you might have had, helped you make that decision if you are going to go ahead and pick this up, or if you're going to pass and go somewhere else. Until the next video, you guys have a great day.